All right, this looks a little bit. This is perfect. Here's our first target of 100. Huge slippage on the exit. $50 of slippage on the exit here. First target, $5 of slippage. Now here was our one loser, one tick away, and that was our maximum drawdown. Here was our next trade. We got 10 ticks of slippage, first target. Then we got a nice trade right here. First target, 345, 345. I thought we were at 8. We were at 6. The last trade was 100, 225, 225 for 1,190. I'm gonna go over all the trades. Just patience, waiting for our perfect trades, even though the market was moving like a house on fire. We still got our setups. I missed a couple because they just were too fast for me to take. But a grand on a Monday is not bad. Let's take it from the open. Now here's the open. Boy, who took this trade, I'll tell you, that was one tough trade to sidestep. Now the trend is not quite below the 15, but it's still pretty juicy trade, and you get an abrupt reversal. That's what happens if you trade those first few seconds into the open. Now here is a nice move down. Please excuse me for being a couple minutes late.
Order submitted.
I would have called this trade short right here. We would have gotten this winner. No continuation, is right into this pivot.
Order filled.
That's right into support. Support held. You know, this is our supply, our buy demand zone of a higher time frames. Support holds again. Up we go. No background color, nothing to trade. Don't chase anything. This is a very risky trade short. Looks great, but you know, there was no reason for us to be in this trade short. It matured really nicely, but we had no C2. It was here for a second, it left, stood aside. I didn't take the break because the move was a little bit overextended. Now, there was our first trade. I took it right there. After this pullback, we had the C2, we had everything. Boy, we just got a target. And then out. And we got a lot of slippage on that exit. Look at our entry and look where our exit is. Now our stop's right at break even. And I think that's where we got a lot of slippage on the exit. Unfortunately, we just can't take this long. This was we're set up on a multi-time frame alignment or a triple screen to the downside. Takes a while to align to the upside. We have no trade here. You can take it. Here's where you have the trade. And here's where I called the trade, right here. There was a down close and the up close. I knew I didn't have the minor quant, but I took it anyway on the C2. And the dome asked, I had to confirm the trade. After I confirmed it, the trade was long gone. I don't know why that happened. That was really a fluke. And that was a big trade. Now this might have finished our day right there on 2 trades. But the dome didn't give it to us, so I can't take credit for it. But I did call it. Right into resistance, resistance holds. Right into resistance, resistance holds. Yeah, we broke. Got a first target and a few ticks. There's the pullback, there's the break, there's the entry, there's the target, and we got a bit more. And there was the out. 2 trades, 2 first targets. Now this is the one that we just missed. I am gonna scale it just because I shouldn't bother. Doesn't really matter, but I'll tell you, this is about as close to 20 as you can get without getting 20. Here was our entry. $19 ticks. 1 more tick. That's luck. But it was a beautiful trade. And we missed it by a tick. We got the pullback here, the short trade, first target. I was real sloppy with the exit, with moving the stop here. Took us out at break even. Should have gotten a lot more than that on the trade. That was a little risky. No C2, but we just broke the VWAP. Down we went and out. There's support. Not going to trade into it. We never really broke the VWAP close, but we're on cyan background. No way would I take it, even with the C2. Here was our first real nice trade. This is a beaut. Break support. Get a pullback right here. Not much. It's all we needed. First target. And out. Again, I was a little sloppy with the exit, but we got it. That was a nice move. That took us to 600. I thought we were done. And I just waited. I didn't want to take this trade. I could have taken it on the break. I wanted to take the break and pull back. I got it here. I felt the move was a little bit overextended. I just let it go. It was a winner, but I don't care. No background color. It evolves up into a nice trade, but just not tradable for us. We sidestepped a million losers today. The only loser we got was a 19-tick trade in which we missed by 1 tick. Missed by 1 tick. And this was a fast-moving market with a lot of turns. This one I took very tight to the VWAP, but we had a nice pullback here, another nice pullback here. We had a lot of traders caught short. I took the trade on the up close, There was our first target. And we were knocked down on the wick. Trade went further. I would have taken it off the 15, but that was our last trade and we're done. I mean, every trade was really a textbook trade. In fact, the one that was the tightest was our last trade here into the VWAP. Luckily, it smacked right through. It hit resistance, it smacked through here on the pivot, and then we got to pull back, it knocked us out.